Hi guys, this is HardReset.Info channel and today I will show you how to take long screenshot on your VIVO Y19. In the first step to do it, we must open application which support it. It can be in setting. And now we press volume down and power case together as to make normal screenshot. And after that we click long screenshot. Now we must add some information by next and then scroll our screen and next. And after that we click save. And now we have a long screenshot with lots of more information than normal one. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.